Impact!
Woo! So would it be going left to right, 1, 2, 1, 2, or you're going 1, 2, straight here, back, doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter.
Alright.
You shoot the front four in any order that you want to shoot. So if you're more comfortable transitioning from left to right, then shoot it, 1, 2, 1, 2, stop. If you're better going, right to left, then 1, 2, 1, 2, stop.
Yeah.
Just however you want to do it.
Alright.
Yeah. Now we've got pistols and a couple of rifles.
I'm gonna do a pistol.
Okay. Are you ready? Stand by. Basically, if you've got it, you can shoot it steel challenge. Sick.
Oh, SIG into it.
Okay, so you basically just aim down there, shoot the front four first. Stay back behind the barrel. And then just aim, anywhere down there. And you can shoot the front.
Okay, now let's just bring the dot up on target from the low ready.
Yes.
Stuff on target. Position.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Oh, safety's on. Can I start that over?
Yeah, we'll do it over.
Okay.
Are you ready? Stand by.
What was my time on that?
443.
443. Okay. If I had done that pickup shot, probably would have been under 4, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And that's a 9mm.
It is.
Wow. Okay. So you can shoot this in the pistol caliber carbine. This particular one. Can it be any? Not brand specific. Doesn't matter.
Any brand.
So you can bring out a high point 9mm carbine and just go to town.
Yeah. Anything, as long as it shoots 9 or whatever. I mean, you can do 9, 40, 45, as much as PCCs and all those, but the most common is 9. Well, it varies by division.
So if I were going to do production, because that's what I hope to compete in this year, with the Canik TP9 SFL production out of the box, what would be the time I need to shoot for to try and get into a major match?
Well, it all depends because we have different classifications. So depending upon where you fall within the classification range, you could be like a D class, which would be like for people just starting out. But if you finish first in your division, then you can get an invite based upon being first in your class within that division. So it really, you compete against others that are shooting similar firearms and also similar skill level.
Okay.
So
now, how do you get your skill level posted on your profile?
So when you go to a match, like most places do registration on practice score.
Yep.
So when you sign up, you just put your USPSA number, and when they upload the results to the Steel Challenge website, every Wednesday morning we do classification updates.
So all I got to do is show up to a match, go to the strings and courses of fire, and then they will upload that for me onto my profile.
Yeah.
Because I'll give them my USPSA number.
Yep.
And then show up, practice, and shoot.
That's it. And you get faster and faster, then you'll work your way up the ranks. So
yeah.